We're a week away from Christmas. In terms of a white Christmas, snow and ice around on Christmas Day. What's the picture looking like at the moment?
We're in a very similar situation to last year in that we have strong westerly winds, what we call Atlantic influence. So all our weather is coming from the Atlantic. When that happens, we're not going to get very cold weather. We're not going to get the sort of easterly. We need easterly winds or northeasterly winds to get us really, really cold weather, dragging cold, dry air in off continental Europe or from Arctic places. There isn't any sign of that at the moment. We're in westerlies or southwesterlies. So it seems like over the next week we'll see an alternating picture between the sort of mild, damp, mucky weather, which we've had for a couple of days now, and the kind of cool, showery, brisk westerly, northwesterly wind weather, which can bring some wintry showers, can bring a bit of sleet, bit of hail, can bring snow showers to Mayo and Donegal, maybe even Wicklow, but won't give you any widespread snow or anything like that. So it's not beyond the bounds of possibility. We'll see white on the Wicklow Mountains on Christmas Day, but we're unlikely to see anything at what we might call more normal altitudes.
Right, so there'll be no Christmas card scenes in our back gardens.
I think that's a very, very, very long odds.